Poor puppy, all alone on a hot day like today. We've gotta help. Naturally, we'll start with a makeover.
Ew.
If only fleas were this easy to get rid of. 2 eyes are plenty. Look at all these bugs. Next time you should really wear gloves. Oh, don't worry. We're almost finished here. Of course, our new friend here could still use a wash. Maybe this hula hoop is just what we need. Take out your soldering iron. Never leave home without it. And make a few holes, especially a big one. Now, garçon, just what we need. A hose. Secure it in place and turn on the water. We've made our own little dog wash. She doesn't even need to move. We can just run her through it. Well, it helps if she moves her paws. Yeah, that's a good girl. A rinse is a good start, but soap's important too. Just add it to this new gadget. Brush away. Just don't forget to rinse off. Good thing we're already doing this outside. All done. Now let's dry her off. Uh-oh. It looks like we missed a spot. Quick, let's put this device together. It's a paw cleaner. Once again, you'll need water. It's best to do this one paw at a time. What a good girl, letting us clean her paws. The rest of the paw looks nice, but look at those nails. This is a mani-pedi emergency. But we'll need something special. Let's cut up this bag. It's gonna be a harness for our dog. Hang it up, dog included. This might take some muscle. Now she'll stay in one place as we file down those pesky nails. Though something tells me she doesn't mind a little beauty treatment. Much better. Now let's go home. Mi casa es su casa. Hey, that doesn't mean the floor's your personal toilet. Well, this mess won't clean itself up. Time for the advanced pooper scooper, complete with bags. Just open it up and wrap around the mouth of the device. Now you can pick everything up without getting your hands dirty. Just remember, you might need more than one bag. Uh-oh, she's shedding? Is she a dog or a cat? Seriously, I'd say there's enough fur for a whole new dog. But it looks like our furry friend beat me to it. Well, it's nothing a little vacuuming can't fix.
Ew.
We'll need to keep all this fur under control. And this new brush should help. It collects the hair all up in one big clump. And cleanup's a breeze. The hair just falls off. Looks like you missed a few spots. This should help. It attracts all this hair like a magnet. And the cover takes it all off for you.
Phew.
Unfortunately, we're just getting started with the cleanup. Oh, good. With all this work, we earned a treat. Yeah, I had to say treat. Good thing we've already got this big bag of dog food. Do you take your kibble dry or wet? Well, at least we know she likes it. In fact, something tells me she wants seconds. This device should help. Just fill it up with kibble. And all it takes to get more is just pushing a button. Round and round it goes. Now she can have seconds and thirds, possibly fourths. And we can enjoy our pizza. Anyone getting déjà vu watching this? Oh, so touching. Hey, can I have one of those tissues? Oh no, not the television! Did we lose power? Naughty puppy, you could have hurt yourself. We're gonna need to puppy-proof the house. This pop tube could help. Just slit it open. Just slip them over these wires so they're nice and safe. Great, the television is back on, and we can watch together. Still, it's nice to have some private time. I guess someone didn't get the memo. Oh, she's not going anywhere. Meals always taste better with company. And without utensils? And it's great to always have someone watching over you. Oh, you're not getting out of this. We'll need to get creative. With this water balloon rubber glove, she'll always have a tender touch. Relaxation can be found right in the palm of your glove. Checkmate, or king me. Either way, she needs some stimulation. This mat should help. Just hide some treats under the flaps. And just look, there's a whole bunch of different hiding places. We can even hide some right out in the open. Oh, she's good at finding all these hidden treasures. She'd make a great detective, or maybe a pirate. Someone deserves a thank you. A nice big wet sloppy thank you. Her tongue needs a little distraction. Add peanut butter to this mat. She gets peanut butter and your face stays dry. Everyone wins. Now it's time for some fun in the sun. Come on, you need to get out too. And we've got the perfect suit for you to wear. You'll look so pretty with all these bows. And you can't forget to accessorize. Of course, it's also important to stay hydrated. And that goes for the both of you. This bottle should help. We just need to make a few strategic cuts. Once again, our handy soldering iron comes to the rescue. Make sure that hole is nice and big. And add another filled bottle through it. Twist the lid and it dispenses the water for you. Now it's time for us to relax. Uh-oh, the paparazzi are out on the prowl. Careful, I think they can see by motion.
Oh no!
Let's get out of here! Do you hear something? Oh, that little girl's crying and holding a poster. I think we can all figure out where this is going. Okay, they look alike. but I think we should spring for DNA testing. Well, at least she's cheered up. Wonderful. What a happy ending. A cat. Hope she likes peanut butter. Pet-sational stuff. Catch you next time. Well, it looks like we've just stumbled upon the mysterious city of boxes. Hey, sup, kitty? How's it purring? Yeah, these cats sure know how to party. Resting up for a big day of sleeping. Geez, I wonder how they got those posters in there. Oh, look. There's a pair of little dog boots and balloons? Good. They look like a perfect fit. Perfect for a winter workout. Keeps those little paws mess-free and looks cute while doing it. Let's try the other one. Cut off the rim of a balloon and add it on. And look, after a walk, the balloon shoes are just as durable. Wow, a donut and a ladle. I wonder what they do. No, wait, that's not a real… Yeah. Well, if you can't eat it, wear it. And it protects your pup from getting lost. Now, how about the other one? A nice big ladle can work just as well. And the best part is, your dog can also help you serve soup. Looks like more things for your pet to wear. But this time, we're going with cats. Make sure Mr. Kitty is nice and secure. Zip up that zipper. Wow. Now your cat can get lost in a good book as you hold it for them. Okay, our plan B is gonna be wearing this shirt like a pouch. In you go. Now he's got a nice place to relax as you prepare him snacks. Two different brushes for your cat, because cats deserve nice things. It even catches and releases all that excess fur. Now it's a wig. Oh, we're gonna add some special touches to this brush. Cool. It's like you made a little homespun scratching post. Oh, you gotta love that the cat does its own brushing. But all that hair? A licking mat? Oh, and it looks like hanging it up is a breeze. Wow, this should also make bath time a lot easier than usual. Maybe the plastic wrap will work too. Even if it goes on your head? Well, this should keep those aliens from reading your thoughts. Oh, good boy. Doggo stays still during a bath and a manicure. That's a whole spa day. A collar that lights up. Now that is a real fashion statement. This'll really step up your dog's laser tag game. And of course, making him easy to spot in the dark. Then again, we can always make this out of glow sticks. Just keep adding them on. and make sure that they fit, and hopefully last a while. And just like that, your pooch is ready for a rave. Ah, our pets have spent a full day of pampering, so let's keep pampering them. It's like your cat has a bunch of tiny hands with tiny fingers, all at his disposal. Toothbrushes will save on batteries, but the important thing is that the cat's happy. Good idea, but a cat can't spend all day being spoiled. It needs some playtime. What cute little mice. And cool, they come in a lot of colors. Makes you wish that real mice were this fun to play with. But as we all know, a cat's favorite toy is the box it came in. Especially when you get to play with it together. Aww. Oh good, now our canine friends get to join in on the fun, and with tasty treats. Come on, puppy, put your nose to work and find those goodies. Seems like fun, but can we repeat this game with a towel? Just lay the kibble on the towel and then roll it up, like sushi. Seems to work just as well, but you're not sticking the toy in the laundry. Of course, after a treat, your dog needs something to wash it down with. Normally, you shouldn't put water in flowers. It's not nice. But this seems a lot nicer. We made ourselves a fountain. Cool. And would you look at that? He likes it. But can a water bottle be more than enough? Let's try it out. Well, as long as it's secured to the wall, either way, your puppy gets a nice drink. Yeah, pet-terrific stuff! And thanks to our furry friends who helped out with this video. Catch you next time!